What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today we're talking about Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol AUPH. Aurinia Pharmaceuticals is a biotech company that just got an FDA approval over the weekend for a drug that treats lupus nephritis, which is a complication of systemic lupus erythematosus. Well, this is big because currently there is no FDA approved drug for the treatment of lupus nephritis, and this company has patents in place that could prevent other drug makers from entering this market until 2037. Which essentially means that Aurinia Pharmaceuticals will have a monopoly in this sector. The clinical name for the drug is voclosporin. Let me read this from an article that was published before they got FDA approval. Voclosporin's potential patent life may be the key to Aurinia's success. The company expects that once the FDA and other regulatory agencies approve voclosporin, it will have robust patent protection until October 2027. The decision by the FDA to incorporate a dosing protocol will extend its US protection further to December 2037. The market opportunity as a first mover with robust patent protection shows that Aurinia has a potential blockbuster on its hands. The current SLE market size is projected to be $2.7 billion by 2026 and anticipated to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 7%. Considering nearly 50% of these SLE patients have lupus nephritis, Aurinia's management's initial estimates suggest that the drug can make peak sales of more than $1 billion globally. Furthermore, management sees additional opportunity for voclosporin in dry eye syndrome (DES) and proteinuric kidney diseases. Voclosporin in the form of an ophthalmic solution called VOS has shown meaningful efficacy results in its phase 2A results, completed in early 2019. The trials show that VOS is fairly differentiated and could potentially compete in the billion-dollar prescription dry eye market with further advances in the drug development process. Currently, management expects to report out results from the phase 2-3 AUDREY trial of VOS by the end of the fourth quarter. Voclosporin may show promise in patients with proteinuric kidney diseases and FSGS, a rare kidney disease that causes scarring leading to kidney damage. Early clinical trials have shown that voclosporin reduces proteinuria, high levels of protein in urine, which correlates to better long-term outcomes for patients with FSGS because it improves the podocyte function in kidneys. So as we can see here, this drug, which was recently FDA approved, has the potential to treat multiple diseases, which would further increase its total addressable market. Now let's take a look at the chart. So as you can see, Aurinia Pharmaceuticals is trading at 14.86 with a market cap of $1.88 billion. The maximum price that the stock went up to was around $20. The price actually went up based on positive data from a clinical trial when they were developing voclosporin. Since then, we can see the share price has fallen back down. This leads me to believe that the FDA approval of voclosporin might not be baked into the current share price of $14.86. Now, let's take a look at what the analysts are saying about this company. So the 9 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Aurinia Pharmaceuticals have a median target of 21 with a high estimate of 30 and a low estimate of 17.90. The median estimate represents a 41% increase from the last price of 14.86. I believe we can easily see a 50% increase in the coming weeks ahead as people realize the potential of this company going forward. Now let's take a look at their balance sheet. So it's really good to see that Aurinia Pharmaceuticals has a really strong balance sheet. They are currently debt-free and have not had any debt for the past 5 years. It's also encouraging to see that insiders have bought more shares than they've sold in the last 3 months, which indicates that they expect the share price to increase over time. In my opinion, this stock is definitely a strong buy, especially if you're able to buy it under $17 or $18. It is possible that this stock goes up a lot in before market hours, in which case it might be difficult to buy at these levels. But if it doesn't move up that much, it'll present a great buying opportunity. Anyways, that's it for today. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.